In this video, we'll show you how to effortlessly combine photos on your iPhone, whether you want to merge 2, 3, 4, or even 6 images. This is a fantastic way to showcase your adventures, capture memorable moments, and share your creativity with friends and family, and this can enhance your storytelling. And before we start with this video, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe for more similar tutorials like this one. Now let's combine multiple photos on our iPhone. We won't be using the Shortcuts application for this method because that process is a little bit complicated, and instead of that, we're going to use the Instagram application in order to merge our photos. Since I believe most of you already have the Instagram application installed on your iPhone, you want to open it and then go over to your profile section. We will have to use our Instagram camera for this because that is where we will get the option to combine our photos. So you can tap on the little plus button on your profile picture, or you just want to open the camera for when you want to create a new story. And don't worry, we won't be uploading or sharing anything on Instagram. We'll just use the collage feature in order to merge our photos. I'm in the story camera right now, and what I have to do is to click on this little arrow button at the left side of the screen, which will show me these options that we can use for creating our Insta stories. And one of the options is this layout option, which we will click on. By default, it's going to allow us to combine 4 photos, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. But if you want to combine 2 photos, for example, or up to 6 photos, you want to click here, and that will then give us the different layouts which we can use to combine our photo. But I don't want to change this because I need a 4-photo layout, and let's see how we can add the photos. We can either take a photo directly from the camera by tapping on the shutter button once, but I will upload a photo from my photo gallery because I want to create sort of a memory with this combination. Tap here, then select a photo from your gallery. My first photo has been added, and you can pinch to zoom in or zoom out and position the photo to your liking. And just repeat the process for the other 3 photos, or how many you have in your selected layout. Tap on the gallery button, select the photo, and pinch to zoom. Once we add the last photo, tap on this little check mark, and that's it. The last thing that we need to do is to save this photo into our gallery, and we can do that by tapping on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then save. This photo collage is now saved into my camera roll, and I can now share it with my friend or family. You see how easy that was, and if you want more similar videos like this one, then make sure you leave a like. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone.